Unit 144, have something done, reading and speaking. So we have a dialogue at the garage. Let's read it. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you? Well, I'd like to know why the warning light is on. I had my car serviced last week. I was told there weren't any problems. Let me check. As far as I can see, you need some more brake fluid. Shall I top it up for you? Please do it straight away. I'd like to have the tires checked too. Sure, I'll check the oil as well. How long will it take? About 15 minutes. This week there is a special offer for all our clients. Free car wax and polish and windscreen wash. Would you like to have your car polished, ma'am? I'm afraid I haven't got much time. Thanks anyway. Now, we have a few questions. So let's answer the first one. Why is the warning light on? So the lady went to the garage and she said that she wanted to know why the warning light was on. Yes? So, what did the mechanic say there? Okay, he said, let me check. As far as I can see, you need some more brake fluid. Okay? So, let's look at the second question. What happened last week? So last week, she went to the garage and she had her car serviced. Yes? She had her car serviced. And she was told that there weren't any problems. Okay? So next. What would the lady like done? Обърнете внимание на въпроса. What would she like done? It is like, what would the lady like to have done? Okay? Така че, what would like the lady done? Какво би искала жената да се направи? Okay? So let's see. So, she would like to have tires checked too. She would like to have the tires checked. Okay? So, and the last question that we have, what wouldn't she like done? Okay, what happened after that? Well, the mechanic said that they had a special offer for all their clients. Free car wax and polish and a windscreen wash. So, and he asked her, would you like to have your car polished? But she said that she wouldn't like to have her car polished. Okay? Because she didn't have much time. Okay? So, this is our next exercise. Така, имаме една реклама за салон за красота. Okay, BABTAC, the British Association of Beauty Therapy and Cosmetology. HND, a higher national diploma, is a higher education qualification in the United Kingdom. It can be used to gain entry into universities. Now, let's read through this. So, the beauty parlor is a small friendly home-based salon situated in Glai, only 2 miles from Edinburgh city centre. Our fully qualified and experienced beautician, Anne Atkinson, is a full member of BABTAC and has an HND in beauty therapy. We provide an extensive range of treatments using the medically advanced dermatological products. These contain natural essential oils to give the best results to your skin. The products can be purchased from us. Here are our special summer offers for you. Nails. Pedicure, 45 minutes. Feet are soaked and massaged. Nails trimmed and varnished. £20. Deluxe pedicure, 1 hour. Feet are scrubbed, nails are varnished, and a cooling marine mask is applied while a relaxing scalp massage is performed. £28. Manicure, 45 minutes. Nails are shaped and varnished, and cuticles neatened, hands massaged. £18. File and polish, 15 minutes. Nails are filed and polished. £10. French manicure, 1 hour. Nails are shaped and cuticles neatened, French polished, hands massaged. £20. Deluxe manicure, 1 hour. Nails are filed and varnished, whilst hands and arms enjoy a hot hydrating mask followed by a scalp and hand massage. £26. Facials. Mini facial, 30 minutes. Deep cleansing, exfoliation, revitalizing hydrating mask and hand massage. £20. Luxury facial, 1 hour. Deep cleansing, exfoliation, revitalizing hydrating mask, face, shoulder and scalp massage, hand and arms massage. £34. Swedish massage. Back, neck and shoulder, 30 minutes, £18. Back, neck and shoulder, 1 hour, £28. Full body, 1 hour, £28. Waxing. Half leg, £15. Half leg and bikini line, £18. Full leg, £20. Full leg and bikini line, £24. Bikini line from £8. Underarm, £6. Eyebrow, £7.50. Lip, chin from £6. Arm, £12. Back, chest, £16. Okay, and some more. Tints. Eyelash, £10. Brow, £6. Eyelash and brow, £12. Okay, the idea of this exercise is to have something done and would like to have something done with the things above. Така, идеята на упражнението е да използваме have something done и would have something done, при условие, че искаме някой да направи нещо за нас, с нещата споменати до тук. And we can start like this. Okay, let's look at the dialogue that we have. Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you? Good morning. I'd like to ask you if I could have my nails shaped and polished right now. I'm going to an important meeting and I want to look good. Oh, and something else. Can I have my... So, if you're male, what? Sounds a bit strange. But, okay, you can have a massage. So you can say like, can I have my back, neck and shoulder? Okay, massaged. 30 minutes, £18. If you're female, you can choose from any of these. So it's a good exercise. So that's it.